Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create our very own do-it-yourself paper plate racket using just common household items. First, we're going to need some paper plates. Ideally, we want them to be about 10 inches in diameter or larger, and we want them to be the thick coated type. We're also going to need a spatula, the plastic hard type. We're going to need standard gray duct tape and a sheet of paper. Any sheet of paper will do, or a standard size balloon. Let's go over our materials. Here we see our two 10-inch paper plates. These are the thick coated type. Next, we see our plastic spatula. We can see how rigid it is. We want to avoid the rubbery type. Next, we have our standard gray duct tape. If you can't find this, any tape will do. Let's begin. First, we place our plate flat on the ground. Next, we put our spatula right over it, and we want the neck of the spatula to sit on the edge of the plate. Next, we're going to take a piece of tape about 6 inches long. And we're going to place it at the top of our spatula and press down firmly. Now, we want to cut a piece of tape a little bit smaller than the last, about 4 to 5 inches, and we're going to put it at the rim and at the neck. And we want to press down firmly. Now we're going to take our second paper plate and place it right on top. Now we want to get a piece of tape 2 to 3 inches, and we're going to secure the top of the plates first. Pressing down firmly so that they're nice and secure. Next, we want to secure the sides. Again, we take about a 2 to 3 inch piece of tape and attach it to the side of the plates, pressing down firmly. We do the same on the other side, making sure that they're nice and snug. We're left with a big gap at the bottom where the neck meets the plate. We want to make sure we secure that by attaching 2 pieces of tape, one on each side. We take a 2-inch strip of tape and put it right at the edge next to the spatula, securing it tightly. Next, we do the same on the other side. We've secured 2 plates with 5 pieces of tape. Now we're going to learn how to hold it. This is called a hand-shaped grip. Stick out your hand like you're going to shake someone's and hold the spatula. Next, you take your piece of paper and you crumple it up, making it into a ball shape. Now, you're ready to practice. Challenge yourself to strike the ball as many times as possible. Just like this. See how many times you can do it without it dropping. You can practice with a friend or a loved one. Get creative. Thanks for watching.